This project only took me 5 minutes to make. Hi guys,
I'm back.
it's Mary here. If this is your first time in my channel, in this channel we teach how to sew, home decor, we teach tips and tricks for sewing.
Really?
We do lots of stuff related to sewing to make your sewing journey easier.
Ah, that would be great.
Today we will be upcycling an old sweater to a skirt. This project took me only 5 minutes to make. So let's get started. This is an old sweater of my son that doesn't fit him anymore. So what I'm doing now, I'm just making sure to align it and pin it in place. Now I'm folding it into two, just to mark where I need to cut. Hi guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn all the notifications so you won't miss a thing. There will be so many videos coming up, you don't want to miss it. So let's go back to the video. Now I'm going to lay it down and start to cut my marks.
Good job!
Also, I decided to keep the most of the design on my skirt. So I tried not to waste any piece of the design. I really like it.
Me too!
Now I'm going to open it and just turn it inside out, just to do my sewing in the wrong side. If you are doing a no-sew version, you only need to add your glue in this stage to both sides of the skirt. I was playing around with the rest of the sweater, thinking maybe I can add some pockets from the sleeves or something to the skirt, but I like it this way. The camera stopped recording when I added the elastic. I apologize for that. So what I did, I got an elastic and I sew all around the elastic, attaching the edge of the skirt to the elastic. And here we go, the skirt is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it as well.
We're gonna have to share everything.
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.